Hey guys, sorry about that, but it said my battery's low. Let's go break some cocoa beans. I said W. Yeah, give him a hot bar. Give him this hot bar. You're hot. You're hot and I'm going in, and you're going in my hot bar. Hot bar is all I'm about. Hot bar, hot bar, hot bar. Whatever. I probably can't even make some. No! I don't want my finger in front of the camera. Yeah, once I found I found a cave, which it's not underneath my house. As you can see here, I have cauldrons. Yeah. If you want to see, let's go downstairs and let's show you. I set this thing up all the way up to the top floor. And also it goes into this chest because I'm like lazy. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys around a bit. Hoping you guys like it, and yeah, I'll see you at some point.